bike now. Ain't nothing to do but press the button and see what we got going. We're trying to get somewhere, man. Alright, neutral on this joint. Fuck, ain't no neutral. Let's just go for it.
In there.
Y'all see what time it is? We ain't got no oil in this motherfucker, so I better put some oil in it right now.
Yeah.
So, you see we got action. Cut. I'm going synthetic. I ain't gonna say I was the failure last time, but I got a feeling that I was the failure. If y'all look over there in that pan over there, there was more oil to it than that. But look at the color of that oil. I raced this bike all the way to Phoenix, Arizona with that oil. Ran and raced it all the way to Fresno in broad daylight.
With no warranty.
Super hot. Yeah, ain't no warranty on that 120 motherfucker. It is what it is. You know, you go fast, use precautions, check your fluids. They've been telling me get on the synthetic, so that's what we're going for now.
Took an L with that oil.
Say 1, 2, we go 3 and checking, you think? Or go 4?
Go forward.
3.5.
Okay, let's go 3.
You have to go 4.
3 even and check it.
You bone empty?
I don't know what's in the engine.
All right.
So let me stop at 3 and just see where if it hit the dick.
Want me to cut this one? Might get too long.
Cut that one. Oil pressure. Guess who back? Me, that's who. Hey now, we're working it out, See what we got here. Check that out. That's right. Now we back to stock clean, my peoples.
Put it down. I want to get into the head seat. Excel at it.
The wait is over. Down over here at Rounds Performance Motorcycles in San Jose, owner over here Bernard. As y'all been watching me, I switched off the 120R due to failure, unknown. We're gonna get him dynoed and get him going. So we can hit that rare breed weekend and see what's going on. Got to get him adjusted correctly to make it happen. So Bernard,
Yes.
I got a question for you.
Two.
What is the advantages of dynoing a motorcycle?
To get the out-cylinder performance, air ratio, horsepower that you can get. That is what it's all about.
Okay.
And you can't do that by ear. You can't do that by sound. You got to look at the numbers.
Okay.
Numbers are everything.
Numbers and everything?
New age.
Okay. How long you been down here in business, man?
I've been down here right at 40 years.
Uh-huh.
About 40 years in this business, serving the San Jose Bay Area. I got people come to me from far away as King City. Then I got people come to me from Marin, north. I got people come from the Sacramento. Just do business with me. They pass a lot of people.
Oh, okay.
That's unsung story in Northern California. And I call myself the Go Fast Doctor Unknown.
The Go Fast Doctor Unknown?
Go Fast Doctor Unknown. That's what I do.
So what year bikes do you service? From how far back do you go? Your knowledge, that is.
My knowledge go back from Knucklehead all the way up to these new twin cams.
Oh, okay. So you.
I'm in the process of doing setups right now for the new Milwaukee 8 right now on my flow bench. I'm one of the only guys in Northern California got a flow bench. And we flow heads here, make them run their maximum performance.
Oh, okay.
A lot of shops, just in San Jose, there's only 2 flow benches and I got one.
Okay,
Make
okay.
things happen, that unsung hero again.
Okay. Hey, is there a number of people can reach you at to get to the shop to, shout us a number out?
Well, they can come see me just about 7 days a week.
Well, location or something.
I'm here at 75 Fallon, San Jose, right across from Pick and Pull, Bank of America. Been here almost 30 years at this location.
Okay. Okay, y'all hear it now. He gonna get me on the machine, get me to my optimum performance levels. And y'all stay tuned. This is the get down over here at Rams Performance, San Jose, California. Y'all heard it here. Come get with him. He gonna make it happen for you. Stay tuned. As you see over here at Rams Performance, man, we got some nice stuff going on over here. Some other pipes and stuff, We doing a little bit of everything. As y'all see. As y'all see. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Feature. Because Harley Davidson are cold-blooded. So when you first start up a cold Harley Davidson, it likes more fuel. When everything started, all the juices are flowing, it needs less fuel. That number got to thin out. And that's what just happened.
Okay.
Automatic.
Okay, automatic.
Yeah. Yeah. That's where you want to be, around 13.2, right there.
Oh, okay.
Somewhere in there. Or you go down into 12.9, whatever in there, bounce around, don't matter. It's cool. Okay. That's where you want to end up. What I'm going to get up, and I'm going to warm it up, make sure it's good and hot.
Yeah.
Then we'll see what that number is again.
Okay.
Because it's still warming up. And that number is getting a little leaner. We're going to see exactly where it's at.
So what's a good number to have?
Somewhere around 13.2. 13, somewhere in that area there.
Okay.
Harley Davidson likes fuel when it's idling, not lean. The leaner it runs, the hotter it gets.
Oh, okay.
And that destroys things inside the motor you don't know.
Oh, okay.
Especially piston rings. Piston rings, very critical. You overheat piston rings, they get weak, bike starts smoking, bike start using oil, gotta go to the doctor.
Gotta go to the doctor. Okay. Yeah.
See what the numbers are at?
Yeah.
It's too hot.
Too hot.
Too hot. That's what I thought.
Told y'all I feel a little heat off that engine last night.
It's too hot.
Yeah. That means
13.2.
there's too much gas?
12.9, 12.8, somewhere in there. That's where you need to be.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now we're going to see what your upper end looks like.
Okay. You're on Facebook Live. They're seeing this right now. Hey Fred, trying to come see you, man. Hey Fred, I'm trying to come see you, man. I know y'all got some new chapters down there. Hey, support the Dirty Birds. They making it happen. See what I'm doing. What you saying?
Okay, up on the top end, you run it real rich. Wave, it's so rich, it's off the chart.
Oh,
That's what that bottom graph is telling me.
okay.
That's your maximum horsepower right now, maximum torque. 71 horsepower, 85 torque. We're going to see what we can do to make that better.
What do you normally get like out of a 103 setup? A stock motor, you think?
103, somewhere about 102 foot-pounds of torque, and somewhere about 80, 85, 86. Depends on the bike setup, and you got cams, whatever in it.
Oh, okay.
Horsepower.
This one's all bone stock. We trying to go freeway now.
Okay, again, you're probably gonna get somewhere around maybe another 10 horsepower there, maybe
10. But
we'll see.
We'll be set up correct though.
Okay, but it'll be correct. You straighten that line down there.
The bottom line.
The bottom line,
Uh-huh.
no matter what the top says,
Yeah.
bottom line is right, that's going to be it.
Okay, for sure.
Okay?
All right.
Got you.
As y'all see over here at Rams Performance, they got a little bit of everything out here, you know. You see we got one of them over here that he got going here. Black owned, making it happen down here in San Jose. Say he got awards all over the place, over 30 years in the house. He doing the old schools, shovel heads, all that. Bernard here got the machine shop over here. It sounds like a one-stop shop. So, you know, we're gonna make it happen. I'm just letting y'all see what I see. I see a lot of things if y'all watching me and follow me. So, like I said, part 2, when the man come here to set him up with a dyno, we're gonna see if we get out of this stock motor. Like I told y'all, I'm SS now, super stock to the 120R returns, or maybe yes, maybe no. Told y'all it's Project Yonder. For those who wasn't believing, my hand got forced earlier, and so I had to put it in motion. I didn't want to, but this is what I had to do. Money over here at Money's Car Stereo. We'll be back in a minute. All right.